Question says the incorrect statement below regarding colloidal solution is. Option A says a colloidal solution shows colligative properties. Yes, it does. Option A is correct. Option B says an ordinary filter paper can stop the flow of colloidal particles. So colloidal particles, they can flow through an ordinary filter paper, but they cannot pass through special filter colloidal solution, coated P. So therefore option B is the incorrect option. We have option C over here. It says a colloidal solution shows the Brownian motion of colloidal particles. Yes, it does. It shows the Brownian motion for the particles. Then we have option D, that is the flocculating power of aluminium plus 3 is more than that of Na plus. Since its size is much smaller than Na plus, it has more flocculating power. Therefore option D is also correct. So the only incorrect option is B.